So there's a chance I might be afflicted with attention deficit disorder. Non-diagnosed. Anyway. All right, so I'm still working on the couch, pulling the leather off. I'm getting there. I've got the sides left, ultimately. Sides and a little bit of the front. So, there you go. Like now, for instance. Yeah. Decide for yourself. So, that's, I just pulled off the panel, this part, right here. That's that side panel. Went up there, just pulled it off. That's just clean, plain, clean leather. So that should be good. And yeah, I'm not sure where I might do that on the sides of the bench seat. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see where it fits. Pulling off this side. I'm pretty sure I'll need that for either the side, bottom side of the bench seat, that piece right there, or yeah, I don't know which. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm pulling off. So yeah, that whole side piece right there will go bottom side bench seat. Yeah. All right. All right. Quick, short update. I'm still working on pulling the couch apart. And Rusty James. Let's look at Rusty James. See, I don't have any space. Man, I gotta figure this out. I so gotta figure this out. Anyway, Rusty James, where are we at? So, I'm still working on, I got the springs in. I think I showed you that. Maybe I didn't. It was literally a 5-minute fix. So the axle was canted forward on this side because, or back, I don't remember. But anyway, it was canted one way or the other because the U-joints, the U-bolts holding the axle, those guys right there on this side, were too tight. The whole side on this spring was tight and I couldn't get the springs to set. But they're in there now. But now I'm thinking I should paint them. I put them all in and I should paint them because I decided to paint the brakes and the caliper. So I painted those. I painted the rear springs. I haven't put the rear springs on yet. They're just sitting back here. Because I have a day job and the weather hasn't been great. Yeah, there's the rear springs painted on the floor. You can't hardly see them, but they're in. And I found some lights. Can we see? Let's see. All right, where was I? So I got lights. You can't see it back there. It's too damn dark, typical with my garage. But here's my light. So this is the driver's side. I got the passenger side. They're LEDs with the old school mount, I guess. I have to take this side's mount off. Then I'll have to run new wire to the whole thing because the wire in this whole rig is old and crusty. Crusty everywhere. Here's an example. Crusty. So that's just the outer part, but you can see right there. Maybe you can see. Let's zoom in a little. Now you can see. Yeah. Right there. There you go. Man. Cinematography, not my thing. Anyway, there you go. Wires like that, gotta go. So I gotta rewire all this. And I've got it marked-ish. Focus, yeah. So I put some duct tape and wrote down what they were because I'll never remember. I guess I could go back to the video if I actually took video of this, but yeah, wires need to be redone. So, but I got the springs in. So there you go. Front springs are in. Still working on the brakes. I'm not a not a DeBoss or a Derrick with vice grip or any of that where I get shit done the day I start it, because I run out of patience, I run out of time, and yeah, I'm way out of room. I gotta trip over all this stuff. Yeah, you see stacked up in the corner. I gotta figure a way to get rid of some stuff I don't need. But yeah, like I gotta move that engine. That's the old. Gotta go so I can get in the new. But I think I want to paint it, and I haven't finished putting in the electrical and whatever, and I gotta change the oil. I'm gonna put in. I've decided I'm gonna go with the 5-speed. I'm pretty certain I'm gonna go with the 5-speed. So I got an adapter for a T5 transmission here from Thank You Speedway Motors. Here somewhere. And so far their stuff has fit. And working on the seat. Yeah, but not really. I mean, I haven't pulled off any of the old. But I'm gonna try to keep as much of that seat cushion and all that stuff there. Just add this other padding to it, and then cover it. I don't know if I'm gonna get cheesecloth or if I'm going to use the entire couch that I got. So I got a couch, which I think I shared, and I'm pulling apart, and that's pretty much what's left of the frame of the couch, which again, I have no space. I mean, this is just ridiculous. God forbid I ever catch anything on fire in here. I'll never get out. Safety third. Anyway, there's a quick update. Rusty James. Sorry I don't post more often, but I just don't get time to work on it often enough. I'll get there. Just ain't there yet. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and ring the little bell and subscribe.